This is motivation from the weightlifting geek. And if you've got 8 minutes, I've got a quick tech tip that could change the game for you when it comes to YouTube. What are we going to talk about today? Did you see the thumbnail? We're trying to step our game up a little bit. We got the little fuzziness, the blurriness is the technical term. Today, we are going to show you how you can use Canva to create top notch thumbnails for your YouTube videos, premieres, and live streams. Now, we're going to be using the pro version of Canva. If you would like to try the pro version of Canva and also support our channel as we grow in these YouTube streams, there is a link below that will allow you to be able to do just that. You can try it risk free. And then if you purchase it, you are helping our channel to grow with that affiliate link. But enough about that. You came for the blurry picture. Let me show you how we can do that with our thumbnails. Give me 1 second to share my screen. Okay, so now we are in the pro version of Canva. We're going to rinse and recycle a previous thumbnail for educational purposes. So this is actually the thumbnail that we use for our Friday live stream. But let's say we wanted to spice that up a little bit. Let's add a little pizzazz to it, a little flavor. So we're going to click our image. And then once we've got our image clicked, we're going to go to edit image. And then once we go to edit image, we're going to go to tools and we're going to come all the way down. And it's actually going to show up higher for me because I've already used it. But in this section, you may also like, if you have not already used this tool, it will be there. But since I've already used it, this tool is called autofocus. So we click on it and voila, just look at that. Blurred position. You can adjust that. Let's reset because, yeah. And then we can adjust the intensity so that it's really, really blurred out. Or we can kind of scale it back a little bit so you can almost make out what's there. And then, of course, if you go all the way down, it kind of takes it back to the way that it was. So we're going to shoot for something about right here. So we'll click apply on that. And now let's throw some text up here. So we're going to grab this one. This is one of my favorites. I tend to use it a lot, but I like it. We clicked on our text. We'll delete that because I like I just want the bigger text. That's all I want. So we'll delete this one. We had a couple of duplicates over here. There we go. So we got just one. So we're going to click this. We're going to do YouTube blurred. Oh, actually, let's do it this way. BLURRED blurred YouTube nail. Okay. So we got our text. We are going to space this out. Actually, we're just going to do blurred thumbnail. That will make it a little easier for what we want to accomplish. So we'll pull this over like that. Now let's do some scaling. We're going to take this and then we'll grab this. We'll just kind of put it right there. Now that just looks kind of simple. So let's spice it up a little bit. Let's get a little curve action going on. Okay, so we can adjust the amount of curve that we have on our text. And then I want to just kind of move this a little bit like that. Okay, blurred thumbnail. Now, grab it. We're gonna duplicate it. Slide this one down. Let's take this one. Let's do something fancy with it. Let's do something fancy with it. That's not good. Okay, so we'll just kind of take this and we like this one. So if we take this, now we'll take this one, make it just a hair bigger. Slide it down just a little bit. We'll take this one and put it over the top. We'll slide this one out just a hair that way, and just a hair that way. There we go. Blurred thumbnail. Okay, so this is just super quick. Don't want to take too much time, but if you want to learn more, if you want to have a one-on-one guided session where I can help you to learn how to do these things and more, there is also a link to our membership below. Each gold member gets 1 hour of free time with me a month where we can help you to do things like this or any other questions or concerns that you have about content creation. We'd love to have you as a gold member. So we hope that this video has been helpful. And as always, we want you to remember to stay strong, stay positive, and stay active. Geek Squad. Take care, y'all.